Chicken wings recipe. 2 pounds about 1 kilogram, chicken wings 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Adjust to your preferred spiciness, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, vegetable oil. For frying. For the sauce optional, 1/4 cup hot sauce, such as Frank's Red Hot or your favorite brand, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 tablespoon honey, adjust to your desired sweetness, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, salt to taste. 1. In a large bowl, mix the flour, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. 2. Pat the chicken wings dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. 3. Toss the chicken wings in the flour mixture, making sure they are coated evenly. 4. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or large skillet to about 375 F190 C. 5. Carefully add the coated chicken wings to the hot oil in batches without overcrowding the pan. Fry for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the wings are cooked through and golden brown and crispy. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. 6. Remove the cooked wings from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. 7. If you want to add sauce in a separate bowl, whisk together the hot sauce, melted butter, honey, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt. Toss the crispy chicken wings in the sauce until they are evenly coated. 8. Serve the crispy chicken wings hot with your favorite dipping sauce or alongside some celery sticks and carrot sticks. Enjoy your delicious and crispy chicken wings. They are perfect for parties, game nights, or as a tasty treat anytime. Feel free to adjust the seasoning and sauce according to your taste preferences. Happy cooking!